me see if there's people behind me. No.
Nah.
Dang, y'all made me nervous.
Mic check, mic check. We should be good. I think we got a pretty good angle there. Looks good too. Hopefully I can see this pretty good. Low POV with the Type R. I could have parked a little closer to that wall, but it's okay. I'll give y'all a good look what this PPF looks like. Y'all, I got a satin PPF on the car. I'm not sure which order I'm gonna go ahead and upload these videos, but give y'all a little look at that. That looks freaking awesome, y'all. Type R. You know what I'm saying? SS up top. Cannot forget. I gotta clean the Z06 ASAP. That is unacceptable. Unacceptable, y'all. I'm sure y'all know what the Type R looks like, but I'll show y'all this. Can y'all see this, man? This PPF looks pretty clean. You can see the little, even this little indentation right here. What the, man, who would have thought? That looks freaking awesome, dude. This PPF job looks, I like this one a whole lot more compared to the, is this supposed to be like that? I don't think so. What is that for? Hey, if anybody has a fl5, let me know if yours looks like that. I'm not sure what's up with that. It looks a little weird. I usually like this kind of. Yeah, I like that being covered up there too. This sucker looks badass, y'all. Even with the tinted tail lights too. Hopefully I could see that. Give you a little. Normally I'm not a fan of tinted tail lights, but these, they look pretty good. But yeah, let's go ahead and go for a little drive. Hell yeah. Yeah, for sure could have parked the car more on that side. Most definitely. Hell yeah. I really like the lighting in this car a lot. See the little ambient strip there, red lighting there, the red carpets, man. Fucking awesome. Fucking awesome. I'll give you a little cold start actually. Slight cold start. Yeah. Hear that sucker turn on. There's nothing too much to hear, but you know, it is something. Plus R mode, hell yeah. I like driving it in individual. Essentially I got everything in R mode. It's just I don't know, the fake sound, I like it sometimes I don't, but mainly no, actually currently I'm a fan of the fake sound. If y'all don't know, this car has like at certain RPMs when you're in R mode, I think probably when you're like 5,000 RPM, the car does make like a artificial, like kind of like a video game sound. Some folks don't like it. Typically I wouldn't like it, man. Like if I'm driving the Z06 and like if I'm driving the Z06 and the car's piping in fake noise when it got that badass V8 in the back, I'ma be mad. But this car, honestly, this engine, it's not like a super badass, like, oh, I want to hear it all the time. So the fake pipe noise, you know, for this car, currently, like I said, I'm brand new to this car. Had it for a couple weeks. Really don't look 306 miles. Mind you, like, to get this car PPF'd, it was a big drive there and back. So a lot of the miles is just strictly that. And of course, driving it from the dealership back home. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call this my first official drive in the FL5. This is crazy. I'm just gonna do some couple things. I need to pick up some protein shake. Some protein right now, and probably go get a little smoothie bowl or something. I don't know. It's Sunday. Just gonna enjoy the day, and yeah, go for a little drive, man. Let go.
See if there's people behind me. No.
Nah.
Dang, y'all made me nervous. Hell yeah.
Oh, so that's how it is when it stalls?
Yeah. A little embarrassing. Was it